Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to deactivate your account on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. Whether you're taking a break or planning to leave the platform for good, this guide will make the process simple and clear. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to x.com. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're on the home page, look at the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find an icon labeled More. It's represented by 3 horizontal dots. Click on it. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a section where you can manage various aspects of your account. From here, click on your account. You'll see it listed at the top of the options. Now, scroll down and locate the Deactivate Your Account option. Click on it. You'll be presented with important information about what happens when you deactivate your account. For example, X gives you a 30-day grace period during which you can reactivate your account if you change your mind. If no action is taken within this period, your account will be permanently deleted. Once you've reviewed the details and are ready to proceed, click on Deactivate at the bottom of the page. You'll be prompted to enter your password for confirmation. Type in your password and click Deactivate once more to finalize the process. And that's it. Your account is now deactivated. If you decide to return within 30 days, simply log back in to reactivate it. Otherwise, after this period, your account will be permanently removed from X. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance managing their online presence.